Hi guys! You see the giant pile of stuff on the floor? That's because I went shopping again. Thank God this is my job. What's up guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. I have a wild haul for you. But before I show you all the things, I'll show getting them. It's a beautiful day in LA, by the way. Look at, I'm gonna die here. Do you guys see this? Oh my God, I love this town. Woo! Let's shop. Quick break. Ta-dun, ta-dun. God, what a wonderful day. You know, I haven't been to Guess in a minute. Let's see. Hi!
Shop around, okay?
Guys, this is so great. This is the best. I haven't been to Guess in a minute, so let's see what they got. That's kind of foxy. Wow, all right. What do we got today? It's kind of cute. Ooh, it's like a chic train conductor. You know, this isn't something I would normally pick out. I need vacation wear because I'm going on vacation. Not perfect. I really need sunglasses because I shockingly only have one pair from Amazon. And that's probably because I look kind of crazy in most of them. Or maybe I just have bad taste. Long live bad taste though, baby. Maximalism forever. Hi! Hi! Happy summer! I don't know what team it is. Oh, we love it! La 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 la. Let's see, what do we have? Well, I'm not a 5.5, first of all. Anything fun? That's kind of fun. My tan. What are you gonna do? God, shoes are just so beautiful. I love lingerie. Especially sale lingerie. Wow. I mean, yeah. Let's try stuff on. Well, that is so nice. We love it. It's actually a very nice dressing room. Ta-da, dressing room to a beautiful. Okay, let's try on some stuff. Ooh, this is kind of gorgeous. Beautiful. Meow. Kinda hot. What do you think? Could I get away with this as an outfit in the streets? I could definitely get away with wearing this, but this isn't as fun.
Hello?
Donatella Versace. This is okay. You know, I really hope this fits me because this is on hella clearance. Nailed it. Wow. Oh. I love being a glamorous chicken. Woohoo! All right! This is literally gorgeous. Wow. 75% off. This dress is $12,000. Now it's $3,500. It's amazing though, look at that. This would be so great for vacation. Hi! Oh wow, perfect for summer. Amazing. Oh ho ho. I don't know if you guys even know. Do you know what this is? This is Schiaparelli. This is that really expensive, like fancy couture brand. Look at that. Wow. $9,000 though, yikes. Huh. And I'm not gonna lie, that freaks me out. Cool aesthetic in the store though. Banging. All right, let's go. Hop into the Pretty Woman Hotel real quick to go to the bathroom. Do you guys recognize it? LA is so cool. Boop. Damn, talk about princess parking. Amazing. You guys know I love this store. Okay, let's see what they got today. They just have the most beautiful dresses in here. I literally love them all. So gorgeous, so summery. Oh, beauty, beauty, beauties. Literally gonna try on the whole store. Me and my 500 things. They have the cutest little cottagecore dresses. Look at that. Pretty, pretty princess. Love the vintage JB. Also cute. So Britney Spears. Hit me, baby, one more time. I don't know. What do you guys think? Wow, look at the lighting right now, you guys. Woo! Thank you. Yes, it's beautiful. Woo! Oh man. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Kiddos! Nailed it. Okay. Yay. Okay, I think that's probably enough shopping for today because I've been gone for like 8 hours, which I know isn't as long as I can usually shop, but I'm kind of tired. So here's what I got. Okay, so we'll start with what I got at Neiman Marcus because I'm jazzed about this. Ta-da! I got the really beautiful little blue lace. I guess you would call this a cami corset. I don't know. This shit was $400, marked down to $191, and then I got an extra, I think 40% off. So I got a banging deal on this, and it is so beautiful. Ooh, okay, so like ignore the fact that I'm just wearing underwear and a see-through skirt. However, can you imagine how fire this top is gonna be when I get this properly done up? I'm going on vacation soon, hee hee, like I mentioned. So it's a surprise where I'm going, but this is gonna be perfect for it. Any guesses? I'll have to do a pack with me video. Oh, and oh my gosh, you guys can even see in the background. Do you see that? I'm gonna interrupt my haul in the very beginning to show you something I got for the house. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, my mirror is finally all hung. I could just die. Renee came in and installed it the other night. I'm so excited. Look how pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. You can see in the day here, like it looks nice. However, I'm telling you guys, at night, this just looks absolutely incredible. Oh, and look with the 333. I'm gonna have to do an Instagram with this because that is gorgeous. Love it. You do. In the middle of the haul, more stuff is coming. Thanks, Keith. That's so pretty. Oh, thank you. George, come back inside. I know you love packages just as much as me. Thank you. So more things. I know you love them, baby. You love them. I know. It's so exciting. These are for an Amazon haul coming soon. So like, comment, subscribe, y'all. I got some fire stuff. Barbie part 2. Wink, wink. Anyways. Also, another house thing. This haul is just gonna end up being a house haul. Sorry, guys. I'll show you what I bought. But look what else I got. So remember how I was showing you guys about the table? Guess what came? Ooh la la. Hi, George. Ooh la la la. Isn't it gorgeous? So beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. So old lady, so chic. Oh. Creme de la creme. One more tangent. These candles that I bought in the Barbie shopping video, I was obsessed with them. So I got some other brands. I'm really into pink candles at the moment, especially ones that are only $7.99. Candles are expensive, you know? And I gotta save all my money so I can buy stuff like this. Ta-da! Okay, this is a very deranged purchase. However, I'm obsessed with Kim Kardashian, I'm obsessed with leopard print, I'm obsessed with sales, and I'm obsessed with lingerie. So my bank account didn't stand a chance. You can see this was also hella on sale. This was $525, marked down to $217, and then I got it a little bit more off. I don't know what the final price was, but this is fire. I really want to wear this out of the house like an outfit. You can see I was playing with it, like adding corsets and stuff under it the other day. So stay tuned. This is also for my vacation. Do you have any idea where I'm going? Dolce & Gabbana makes sense for it though. So hint, hint, wink. Wish I could wink, but alas. That's why I have to have lingerie, because the rest of me is not sexy at all. Okay, onto the pile of things that makes even less sense. Dun dun da da! Believe it or not, these are dresses. They look very crazy on the floor right here. However, oh, like my God, look at this. Look at the side boob. This is gonna be so foxy. I want to take one of those like Kendall Jenner-esque pictures, you know, on the balcony, like I guess I could technically do one outside of my balcony. I don't need to go on vacation to do that. Like I have a killer view. So I could really just do this. Oh, fabulous. But I'm gonna go on vacation anyway. I got this in this like red burnt orange and in white because I couldn't decide which one I liked better. And also, how cute is this? When I got to the store, the girl was so sweet and she was like, oh my God, I love you, I've been watching you forever, and gave me the dresses. So shout out to First Class Apparel. Thank you very much, sweet cakes. The store's downtown LA if you guys want to check it out. So sweet. So I'm gonna text her and ask her to send me the pictures we took, and I'll include those if she says that's okay. But yeah, so fun. It's gonna be fire, fire, fire. I like never really wear color, so I thought this was fun. I also got this really crazy feather bra top thing. I don't even really know what I'm gonna do with this. However, had this crazy black feathery skirt already. Oh my God, I need to clean them. I really need to Windex those doors. It looks like really bad. Oh God, okay, anyways, we'll just scoot over here. Ha ha. Yeah, I had this black feathery skirt already. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't wanna be a chicken, I don't wanna be a duck, so shake my butt. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, I love it. Kind of giving Kylie Jenner's birthday outfit, but slightly more weird. What do you think, baby? Yeah. I don't know. I think it'll probably look cool in a photo. Ta-da! I also picked up this. You guys remember one of my favorite stores ever is Trashy Lingerie. I had this literally made for me because I wanted something like this. Want to see? Like, woo, kind of hot, right? Also for my vacation. God only knows where I'm going. You guys have fun guessing in the comments. If you guess it right, you win bragging rights. You know I'm only young once, so gotta rock it now. Beep, beep, beep. I love you. From House of CB, I got hella stuff. Oh boy. So the first thing that I got was this little Mistress Rocks top. So beautiful. You can see it's like an ivory satin. It is gorgeous and looks very old money Chanel. I put tanning lotion on like 20 minutes ago and didn't think that through at all, so I'm kind of too afraid to put it on at the moment, but gorgeous. You can see a photo of me in this from a few days ago. Just flames. It looks so stinking good, especially when it's like actually on. So cute. The next thing I got was this big, long, fancy dress. Oh, this is so pretty. Which, okay, like I said, I'm a huge House of CB brand, mostly because their stuff is just made so well. Like, look at that. Snatches the waist, no need to wear a bra, holds the babes up, so perfect. Just makes you look like a pretty little princess. And you guys know that's my vibe. Honestly though, I wanted to hem this to be short because it's me. I was thinking something a little more like this. However, kind of like this. So let me know in the comments. Such a YouTuber, what do you think? Should I leave it long or cut it? I don't know, let me know. Ta-da! I also got this little black dress, which I actually already have in pink. I bought, I think, in my princess haul. I bought a dupe on Amazon the other day in my Barbie video. Oh, hi. Do you want to say hi? You were just in the background.
Oh, sorry.
No, you can say hi. My friend slash assistant to 333 is here helping me pack the jewelry at the moment. So there we go, shop now. Anyways, just a very cute little classic like black satiny dress that kind of cinches your waist in, which I find that most satiny dresses do not do that, and it's like very annoying. However, this one gives you a figure. It actually like sucks in here and still flares out, unlike most of the little like slip dresses that just kind of flop. And it gives me support in my boobs, which I need because I have a bigger chest. So any of you guys are built like me, this is worth the extra money. Hands down. I think this was like $200 something. Granted, you can get slip dresses on Amazon for like $15, but this one, you know, all of their clothes. Chaotic today. Middle of my haul, just got the Air One Hailey Bieber smoothie delivered. Literally the same one I just had earlier. This is not sponsored by Air One, you guys. I just like have problems. Anyways, wow, really in the pink girl Barbie era. Okay. Anyways, like I said, back to 333 for a second. Everything is on sale right now. Solitaire rings are $50 off and the necklaces are $25 off, and everything else is just marked down as I decided to mark it down because I'm the boss and I'm in charge. So that's that. One more thing I also forgot. Got 2 new books on eBay. Isn't this beautiful? The Royal Path of Life. Fabulous. And I also got this one, The World's Great Classics. I'm slowly but surely trying to fill up my shelves. It's taking forever, but I'm working on it. Such a fun job. I'll buy more books later. Okay, let's see. What else did we get? We also got this super cute little like cottagecore white dress. Adorable. I really need to cut all these tags off, but okay, so again, I'm a little too scared to like ruin this and get it all tanning lotioned up. But this dress, you can see, I'll show a picture on the model so you can like see what it's really supposed to look like. Because I didn't even zipper it. Just the perfect sitting in a garden smell roses outfit. I feel like I'm in Bambi. Did you guys see my Instagram post the other day? I just watched Bambi. It's such a cute movie. This is the outfit that I would kiss my imaginary boyfriend in a meadow in. Also, can anyone guess what this is? Points if you can. Good luck. Talk about buying random things. I also got this, which literally just looks insane on the floor, but this is a dress. Oh, couture. Talk about buying stuff you don't need and have nowhere to go in, but isn't this fire? This honestly looks like something I would have DIY'd back in the day. Honestly, I got this because I just know it's gonna be an absolutely flames Instagram post. Woohoo! A bitch loves buying stuff that makes no sense. And that's what I bought in the last 24 hours. Oh, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for shopping with me, and I will see you guys very soon. I have so many fun, exciting videos getting planned, which is kind of why I'm shopping. I just have so many exciting summer things. So like, comment, subscribe. Kisses till next time. XO. This video is so funny. I was actually gonna do like a day in my life video, but turns out a day in my life is usually just shopping. So it morphed into this instead. You ask what I do when I'm not filming shopping videos? I'm shopping for fun. Do what you love and you'll never work a day in your life.